Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we're going to look at a bench dog system made by BGA SN&W. This is a 10-piece system that is made out of heavy-duty aluminum, machined, extremely nice, and it's going to give you everything you need to get started in a bench dog system. If you're not familiar with what that is, it's going to be a tabletop with a bunch of holes cut in it, and you're going to have different types of clamps and spacers and holders to actually be able to work on your projects. Now, this is just one I drilled out real quick so that I could give you a quick demonstration and show you how it works. You can buy these tables pre-made, you can build them yourself, you can build them really large. It really helps with DIY and woodworking type projects. Now, let me go over a couple of the different things that they offer. Let's start actually with the pucks. These pucks are really nice. They're going to come in two pieces, and this is not plastic. This is a heavy like aluminum, and it has really nice guides on it that are going to grip. And what I mean by grip is let me show you. This will actually go in the hole. It grips from the bottom so it stays stationary, doesn't turn it, and it has a really good gripper on the top. Let's go ahead and put two of them together. You're going to get four in the actual kit. So I can kind of show you what I mean about gripping. And by the way, the machine threads on these are exceptionally good. And that's one of the things you want to look for in a piece of equipment like this, so it's going to last a long time without binding up and messing up to where it's useless to you. This one does very well. So I'm going to space this out just a little, put it here and here. We're just going to take a simple 2x4. If you put it on, when I try to push, it doesn't move because it grips. Now I can lift a little and move back, but if I'm pushing down and moving, it's not going anywhere, which is exactly what's going to happen if I'm, say, routing an edge like this, because I will be pushing down. Now, the nice thing about these pucks is they hold things up off of the actual base so that you can route deeper and all the way through a piece of material if you need to. So it gets it up off of your actual table. But that holds it in place pretty good. But what if I want to make it really sturdy where it isn't going to move at all? They are going to have hold downs from the very top, just like this, and they slide in. And by the way, the holes on this system are going to be just a traditional 3/4 inch or 19 millimeter. So there's a lot of different hold downs that you can buy and things to work with this type of a system. So it's very universal. So we're going to go ahead and back this off a little. And let me show you this, by the way, too. It's non-marring and it holds as well. And speaking of non-marring, these not only hold, but they keep from damaging really nice wood. If you're, say, working with a nice piece of walnut or oak, you don't want dents, scratches. It protects. Everything in here is made to protect your wood. So we're going to do that, back it off and go down in the hole a little. And I'm going to say move it into place, and we're going to lock this down. Now let's go ahead and let's open up another one. They're going to give you two of the top hold downs like that. And we're going to back it off. And let's put one from this side right here. Down a little further and lock it into place. And you can tighten it down really nicely. So now I can work. It's not going anywhere. If I need to drill a hole, I can drill a hole. I have no problem. If I'm driving a screw with an actual impact, I can drive the screws and I can assemble things. And like I said earlier, I can actually route. So if I'm working on, say, a door for my cabinets like these up here, I can hold it down and I can actually sand it. And it goes nowhere. All right, so let's look at a couple of the other devices. We've removed the pucks. We're going to set that down. These are going to be little standoffs, which are also protected. They keep it from sliding, but I can put this in, set it here, and I could put another one, say, back here, just like that. And now I'm kind of locked in like that. So I'm not going to go that way. But if I want to keep it from sliding, I've got some other devices here. These are going to just twist in. It has a really nice steel plate that's machined really nicely, so it's not going to gouge or cut. Has a button I can push, and I can move it back and forth quickly. They can put this in here. Actually, let's go. Yeah, that's good right there. I'm going to push the button and push it out. Now they give you a couple of really nice little ratcheting wrenches, and I have to admit, these are really nice ones. They're not the cheapies that I'm used to finding in these kits. Now I can use the open end or I can use the ratchet side. Put it on the end and make sure which direction we're going to go here. There we go. And tighten. And it locks it into place where it's not going to go anywhere. And if I felt like I needed another one, they give you a whole nother one in here as well that I can actually ratchet down. 10 pieces of a bench dog system that are very well made, all machined, all aluminum, give you the tools, everything you need to get started. 3/4 19mm system. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.